Where you from India?
No,
Where?
from Philippines.
Okay. Okay, China. Okay, 沙士瓦后啦。Wait, stop. Wait, stop. Stop. Very good. Go to the left here. Left. Understand? You understand?
Yeah.
Go. Okay, one forward.
Taxi. Max, kabahan ka na. DRS on DRS. Max Verstappen coming through. Up, traffic. Pupulupo. Gusto ko yung mahihirap. Lagot ka na, Max. Ako na to. F1 Academy. Slow down daw! Slow down! Hindi, magdi-drip tayo, be. Drip it up. Drip it. Guys, ako na to. Cruise number 1. Okay. DRS on. Saan tayo next? Hindi ko na kailangan ng driver's license. Guys, pag nagka-driver's license ako, pang F1 agad. They're so nice. So, dapat pala dito ako pumunta. Dito naman ako mamaya. Sa ano naman ako mamaya? Expedition. Ay, Dragon. Sa Dragon tayo. Kasi mabilis yun ang puntahan ko kanina. Parang pang baby lang. Eh, gusto ko yung parang pro ako dito, guys. I'm a pro driver. I do this for a living. Come on. Ano ba? Wait lang, let's see how this shit works. Okay. Ang saya dito. Dapat nakaraan ko pa ito ginawa. Para nakaulit ako ng ulit. Nakakainis. Oh, look, guys. Wow, right? Wow. Happy na yan. Buti ko naman lang sinipin ko. Buti naman naglag. Pag nalaglag sinelas ko dito, talagang maglalakad tayo ng ng nakatapak. Pero saya. I like it. Nakita nyo naman, guys, di ba? F1 driver to. Talagang nasa dugo ko na yan eh. Kasi pinsan ko si Max. Huh? Alam mo, diba si Maximilian? Ako si Emilia. I'll show you guys. Ibang daan naman tayo. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung yung track. Track! Singapore track. Street circuit. Ten. Max Verstappen. Kago talaga. Sino gago dyan? Di ako yun Nabuhayan ako. Kanina, antok na ako eh, di ba? Ngayon, nabuhayan ako. Why is it one? That's nice, right? Ang cute! I didn't saw you there. The camera was there. It's like, smile for the camera. Kunin ba natin yan mamaya? Yan, baka mahal. How much? 2,000? 3,000? That's the souvenir. Doon tayo dumaan later. Ang saya, kaya lang parang it's like 3 minutes going downhill. But it's masaya siya. It's worth it. It's 1.7 yung bili ko sa ticket. But I think I'm gonna add more ride because you can ride like for another $5. You can do it again. So let's see. Kasi nag-enjoy ako. Minsan lang mag-enjoy ang best. Puro tayo lagi nonchalant, poker face. Piling-pili lang ang mga gawain nagpapangiti sa ating bida. Sa ating besie. Pati-koti lang nagpapangiti sa kanya. Wala na nga actually. Charis. Okay, malapit na tayo. But look at this. Saucy. Yeah. Saucy. Pagtapos dito, mayroon pa tayong yung kay Harry Potter. I'll go there ng 7. 8. 7, 8, pabalik. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Yeah. We can, makakaabot tayo sa makakaabot tayo ng airport. Kasi 1 a.m. yung flight ko eh. I think we can do it. Kaya yun. Guys, nagpalit na ako. Lagot na kayo. Racing Bulls. Let's go. Ako si Hajur. Manda na kayo, guys. Parang baliktad yung ko. Tama ba? Tama, no? Kurik pa? Kurik. Kurik. Wait lang. Kailangan cute tayo, no? Pwede hindi tayo cute. Tama ba? Parang mali. Tama, di ba? Ito yung harap. Go, guys. Baka Hajar to. Bakit ako sa inyo Rookie of the Year? Pookie of the Year or Rookie of the Year? Wait a minute. Let's go. This is the Rookie of Red Bull Racing. This is Maxi. Guys, makita ko kayo mag-drift. Drip it up, and down, drip it up. Enemy. Slow down. Guys, di nyo natatanong, ako, professional driver ako. Oh, baby. Di nyo natatanong, ano to? Race mo to si Kuya. Gusto mo mag-race ni They're so funny. Like, they recognized me, guys. I changed my clothes. I changed my shirt because I was in tube, right? And then the guy who's assisting us said, "You changed your shirt?" I said, "Yes." And he was laughing. Oh my god! He said he recognized me. And when I was riding the, what do you call this? I don't know what do you call this again? I forgot what you call about. But it's kind of like skyline ride. Tawag dito. Ba't hindi nag-ano? Ayan. Hindi siya nag-ano. So when I rode the skyline ride, the other guy said, "Where are you from?" "From the Philippines," like that. And then, oh my god, I think he was the one who went here with me when he asked me if I'm alone. I said, "Yes, I'm alone." He said, "Okay, I'll come with you." So, guys, next stop. Gago kayo. Next stop yung ride. Guys, hindi ako makakauwi ng Pilipinas. It's official. Stranded mo ko. Okay, wonder na siya. Okay, wonder na. Guys, bibili pa ako ng isa pang ride. I love it. I love the rides. I love the people. They are so friendly and so cute. Oh my god. Where are we? Guys, nakikita niyo yung pagiging ko no, yung mga yung short span ko ng attention, no? Asan ang city? Where's the city, right? Nasa nila yung meron pa akong Harry Potter. But I can do it like 30 minutes, no? Then I will go back to the hostel, and then I'm gonna head to the airport. No more time to go and buy some souvenirs. Oh, no. Ang bait nila. Tsaka ang pogi ni Kuya. Sabi niya, "Are you from Philippines?" Yes. Siguro nakakatatlo na sila. "Are you from Philippines?" Ano, 4. "Are you from Philippines? Are you from Philippines?" Yung isa nga, sabi pa niya, "Where are you from?" "India." Sabi niya. I can pass as Indian, Mediterranean, and all.
Okay, do you want 1 or 2?
2, okay.
Okay, thank you. Because after 7, our system just shuts down.
Okay,
Yeah,
almost. 10 minutes.
yeah, but our system shuts down at 7.
Oh,
But we close totally when you want.
okay. Thank you so much. His friend wants my number daw. Sabi ko, loko. Mag-Tagalog.
So slow, bro.
Ang cute nila. Sana all may kasama. No? Sana all may kasama. What happened? What happened? Na-stop nila yung dito guys, oh. Ano? Na-stop nila yung hindi kita ni-record. Char. Konti lang yun. Parang night lodge na din to, ano. It's night na kasi, oh. Sabi niya,
Number 7. Excuse me. Can you take a picture?
okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hindi picture yun.
Okay,
Yeah, boy. Nakakatuwa yung apat dun. Kaya lang ano eh. Na-late na sila. Makikipag-race sana ako sa kanila. Makikipag-race sana ako sa kanila. Ay! Oo na. Ayaw! Ayaw na! Patulak ako! Ayaw! Okay, okay. Yun.